Hey, what's up, traders? It's Katya from Desire to Trade. For today's trading journal, I want to show you one trade that I took this morning on AUD/USD. Now, this is a good trade because it's respect the rules, but it's a losing trade. So I want to show you what happened. Now, I'll start first thing by identifying what is the open of the New York session. This was in the New York session. So I'm just going to try to see. Perfect. So I don't know if you guys can see the time below, but the New York session opens at 8 a.m. So 8 a.m. was right there. Okay, here. So I was watching the chart, and basically the first thing I do when the market opens is I'm going to look for a trend. In that case, if ever we have a trend. If not, then no trend. Perfect. But if we have a trend, I want to identify it quickly. And so what I noticed is that in the early session, we had this move down. Okay? But we still had a big move up before. So what I'm thinking here is I'm thinking this is probably a pullback, right? So I want to be long on that specific pair, AUD/USD. And so I waited a little bit to get the good entry. And there was one here that I missed, but that's not the point. Basically, whenever you see this, then I was looking for an entry. And I was using moving average to enter that trade. So I'm looking for a pullback to the moving average, which we got right there. And see here, I have a blue line appearing on the chart because this is where I entered on that candlestick. I'm looking to enter above the candle that bounced off the moving average. This is an engulfing candle, by the way. Then put the stop loss below the low. And then the entry was hit right here. See this big candle? Big bullish candle. The entry was hit. Now stop loss is below there. And I'm looking to get probably 2-to-1 of reward to risk on that trade. Even 3-to-1. So I'll just show you what happened. But basically it didn't work. Price went back down. Consolidated a little bit. Consolidated. And then pretty late in the session. This was around, I think, 1 p.m. Price went down and hit the stop loss. It was here. Okay. So this trade, of course, didn't work. But the point is that the point of this video that I want to show you is really that the trade respected the rule, right? The trade respected a lot of rules, in fact. We had this uptrend. We had a nice pullback here. Another pullback to a moving average. And even that pullback was right at this zone, right at the previous high, the previous structure. Now, this is really good. This is really kind of high probability, right? Because you're at a structure. You're on a moving average. So two things to confirm. And then you have the bullish engulfing candle, right? So third thing to confirm. So losing trade, but it's fine. I just wanted to show you that today. And of course, if you have a good risk, if you manage the risk, if you manage your money correctly, it's not going to make a big difference, right? If this is useful, please let me know. Like the video. Check out the Facebook group at desiretotrade.com/group. This is free and you can connect with me there. And if you have any questions, if you want to see more articles about that stuff, check out desiretotrade.com and you'll see everything. So on that note, I wish you a good evening and I'll see you soon. Ciao.